Number 3. ROVE R2-4K-Cam. Do you need something pocket-friendly that still packs a punch? Meet the ROVE R2-4K-Cam, your perfect road trip companion. This dash cam records in Ultra HD 2160p, so you'll catch every detail, from street signs to those hard-to-read license plates. With its super-wide 150-degree angle lens, it covers more than just the road ahead. Everything from curb to curb is in clear view. The real magic happens at night. Thanks to its super night vision technology and f1.5 aperture, even those midnight drives come out crisp and vibrant. Need instant access to your videos? The built-in Wi-Fi connects seamlessly with the ROVE app, making it easy to download and share clips in seconds. No more waiting around. For added peace of mind, the built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, so you always have a record of your journey. It even has a parking mode to keep an eye on your car when you're not there. With loop recording, motion detection, and a G sensor that locks crucial footage, you're fully protected. Plus, the Supercapacitor ensures the R2-4K keeps running, even in extreme weather. Whether you're going on a cross-country road trip or just running errands, the ROVE R2-4K-Cam